Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. First, let's open the app menu on our watch. You can do it by waking up the screen, and once you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the app menu. And here we have it. We have different icons for different apps, and we can do a few things with this menu. We can change the order of the icons. So let's say press and hold on one of the icons. Oh, my bad. It will open the editing menu. Come on, like this. And now we can, for example, press and hold on the icon again. Was it press and hold? Yeah, press and hold, sorry. So you don't release it. You press and hold on a specific icon, and then you can drag it around and you can change the position of it on the list. Another thing you can do, I believe, is to remove the icons, uninstall basically applications. So if you press and hold on one of the icons, sometimes you will see the uninstall button, and you can basically tap on it to uninstall the application and it will disappear from this menu as well. Another thing you can do is to change the how the menu is being displayed. So you can tap on set view, and here you can scroll down, and for example you can select list, and if you go back to the menu, now it's going to be list instead of the grid. With the list you have at least the names of the apps, because if you select grid view you don't see the names, and if you prefer to see the names, I think you need to use the list menu, because I don't see any option to like make the names visible, unfortunately. Another thing you can do is to disable this, show featured apps based on usage. So basically, by default, if you open a lot of apps on your watch and you open them often, there will be the list at the top. I don't know if I can replicate it now, but I'm gonna keep opening the apps and hopefully they will appear at the top. Did it work? No, it didn't. But basically, there will be a list of applications right here at the top, and oh, it appeared. You can see the border, but here we have it. This is the frequently used apps basically list. Usually they're at the bottom, right here somewhere. But if you use them frequently, they will appear at the top, and it's very convenient. Sometimes when you open the menu, you want to tap on it immediately. It's here at the top. So I like this option, but if you don't, you can tap on set view and disable this option, and the menu should be gone from the top. Yeah, it is gone. Okay, and you can also edit the app menu through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can grab it, and on the phone that is paired with your watch, you can open the Galaxy Wearable application, and the app you should see your Galaxy Watch Ultra, and here you have the app screen, and you can tap on it. And again, you can turn on or off this option to show the featured apps based on usage. You can also change the how the menu is being displayed, of course. And I believe you can also change the order of the apps. Oh, you can even create folders. I didn't know that. So I'm gonna delete the folder. But you can change the order of the apps like this. You can uninstall the apps as well, so if you find the app you can uninstall, the uninstall button will appear. And apparently we can also make folders, so if you drop one icon on the other icon, it will create a folder. You can name it. And then you can tap on color, I believe. Oh, you can change the background color as well. And then you will have a folder in the menu, so if you open it, there should be a folder somewhere here. Okay, and that's how you customize the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.